to probably, with respect to franchise cricket in Goa, I'm looking forward to playing the next season. I've seen that there's so much talent in women's cricket in Goa. It just needs to be nurtured. It needs to be mentored well, and probably next season also, in case I get it. I mean, I'm there in venture. I don't think there is any retainer clause available. If I get into venture, it will be really nice to win another title. Happy that the efforts that we put in are being recognized. It didn't happen just after, but then I mean, I didn't expect it to be such grand. I have all my teammates here, and special mention to Sir. The way he's supporting women's cricket is really nice.
चेराच्यान गोवा क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन गोवा वुमन्स प्रिमियर लीग ऑर्गनायज करपाक स्टार्ट केल्ले. सो लास्ट इयर सुद्दां आमी पार्ट घेतलेलो आनी दीस इयर ऑल्सो. सो लास्ट इयर आमी जिखूना, पण दीस इयर वेंचर 11 वॉज द विनर ऑफ गोवा वुमन्स प्रिमियर लीग. सो आमकां खूब खुशी भोगता की गोवा क्रिकेट एसोसिएशनान इतली बरे इनिशिएटीव घेवन वुमन्स क्रिकेटा लागून तेंच्यांनी एक बरोसो हे ऑर्गनायज केला टोर्नामेंट. सो वेंचर 11 एज अ team and as a company we like to associate with the GCA, and every year आम्ही part घेतलेत actually because promoting women's cricket and promoting cricket actually because I wanted to be a player, so my children are playing for Goa. It gives me immense pleasure actually जेन्ना part घेता for any cricketing event. So Venture 11 will be always supporting cricket and especially Goa cricket. So आमचो एक ground सुद्धा येता वेर्णान. So hopefully you'll see more tournaments for women's. And I like to congratulate my team for wonderful performance. आणि सगळ्यांक देव बरी करूं. हँडल करता, पण एक मनान एक विचार येयले की एंटायर इंडियान स्पेशल वुमन्साक लागून ग्राउंड ना. सो वाय नॉट टू मेक इट स्पेसिफिकली फॉर वुमन्स. एक पिंक इनिशिएटीव इन पिंक ग्राउंड प्रमोटिंग वुमन्स क्रिकेट इन एंटायर इंडिया, नॉट ओनली इन गोवा. सो एक स्पेशल कितें आसतलें एड आमी सद्या प्लॅन करूं ना, पण वील ट्राय टू प्लॅन इट हाव इट कॅन बी. इट वील बी जनरल ग्राउंड, बट समथींग स्पेशल फॉर वुमन्स इट वील बी.